Exporting and saving Figma files as Jpeg is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then, search here for Figma. Now click to open the Figma site. Once you get into its site by clicking to design a file, now tap to choose the rectangle from the editing bar. Then, draw a rectangle on your page. And click the text icon to add text in a rectangle and you can enter anything in it. Then, scroll down in the editing dashboard to export blocks. Now click to change the file format to JPEG. You can click on three dots and include the boundary box. Then tap on Export to Layers and save it in the Downloads folder. Now you can click on the file icon to view the file you downloaded. Open it up to see the file.